See, as I'm telling you here, look at it. This is Boom 1000 index currently giving us profit with this awesome boom and crash magic bounce back strategy. So as far as I'm concerned, Boom 1000 is very easy. Why Boom 1000 is easy? Boom 1000 has no anything to do with fundamentals. Boom 1000 is 100% and technically fundamental analysis. So let's dive in now so that I'm going to show you the juicy part of it. Yo. So welcome back to another session where I'm going to answer a very nice question that was asked by one of my subscribers. And the question is as simple as it is. Is boom and crash easy? The first answer that we are going to reveal to you is yes, before I dive into the remaining three answers. So in this video, we are going to talk about number one, which is yes, boom and crash is easy because it's purely based on technical analysis. I will explain that in a minute. The second we are going to discuss is boom and crash has no fundamental influences. That's the safest thing about boom and crash. It's not affected by any fundamentals influences. Then the third thing, boom and crash is an independent trading environment. What I want you to understand, boom and crash is an independent trading environment. It's only owned by direct broker, and that's why you see some other countries don't like boom and crash, or you are not allowed to trade boom and crash in other countries. Example like the UK, I will give you reasons in this video. So now, for the bonus tip, make sure you use good risk management in your trading boom and crash. I will further explain in details because boom and crash is purely based on technical analysis. So now, what is technical analysis? So what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is simply a trading system or a trading strategy that is designed in such a way that you identify or you manage the market or you analyze the market technically using some technical indicators. You see, as I'm talking to you now, Boom 1000 has touches this our black moving average and it quickly reverses away from it. This is Forex Gold trading channel. So what you need to understand, technical analysis is a form of market structure that is used to analyze and determine the market movement using some technical indicators or using some technical confluences. That is what is meant by technical analysis. Boom and crash is a direct broker system. So this system is honestly and strongly based on technical analysis only. It's based on technical analysis. Any analysis that is not this pair is not a good analysis. Any analysis that is not aligning with this structure is not a good analysis. So that's what I told you. Any trading system that is based on technical analysis, to be honest with you, is a very good trading system and it's an easy trading system. Why? Because if you learn how to identify market using some technical indicators, or if you learn how to identify market structure and market turning point, you only need to understand technical analysis and you should be able to make profit consistently. And why I say it's very easy for beginners. If you are a beginner trader, you don't know how to analyze the market using other confluences, because we have a lot of confluences that we use to analyze the market. We have the technical analysis, we have the fundamental analysis, we have market structure, we have trend, we have a lot of things attached to that. But if you are a newbie trader, and you are trading this boom and crash spike, if you are a newbie trader and you are trading the boom and crash, I can guarantee you, if you have just some little knowledge or you have some basic understanding about technical analysis, you should be able to start trading boom and crash successfully, catching spike and making profit. That is what I can say, and that is the first answer I give you regarding your question. Let me move to the next on our list. So now, somebody will ask me, I said boom and crash has no fundamental influences. What I mean by this here is that there is no any fundamentals that affect boom and crash. Boom and crash is not affected by fundamentals. Boom and crash is not affected by fundamentals. I repeat, boom and crash is not affected by fundamentals. Even on the normal daily, where we have a non-farm payroll, where you will see all the market and other financial movement are moving from one point to another, are moving from one direction to another, are moving haphazardly because of the trend or because of the NFA news. But what you need to understand, boom and crash has no any fundamental influences. Boom and crash is purely based on technical and indicator analysis. That is what you need to understand. Then also, let's move to the third one, which is boom and crash is an independent trading environment. Let me explain what I mean by that. When I say boom and crash is an independent trading environment, that's to tell you that people that have boom and crash are existing and they are the only one that have boom and crash trading. Example like the drive.com broker. Drive.com broker is the broker that have boom and crash. And that's why you see, if you are not trading with drive broker, you cannot trade boom and crash. Why? Because drive broker is the only boom and crash trading broker that trade boom and crash. Any other brokers outside, they are not trading boom and crash. Some are trading currencies, some are trading other things, but only drive.com broker are trading boom and crash. And that is what you need to understand about boom and crash. And that is the major reason why boom and crash is easy. It's not everywhere. It's just for one broker. And if you are trying to understand everything you need to understand, you should be able to make money in the long run trading the boom and crash market. If you don't have any good strategy to start trading boom and crash, kindly check the link in the description. You will see a lot of videos where you can be able to start trading $1 account, $5 account, $10 account, 100, any amount of money you have. I have a good strategy and I have a good trading system that can be able to work for you, and you can be able to use it and trade the market and make money consistently trading the boom and crash market. And let's move to the last bonus tip, because I don't want this video to be very long. Let's move to the last bonus tip. Why must last bonus tip? I'm going to tell you something that will help your life, something that will change your trading history, something that will make you a better trader, something that will make you the best trader in the world, something that will make you to understand. That is what you need to understand. So that last major thing I wanted to discuss and explain for you further is, if you are trading with not only boom and crash, please, not only boom and crash. If you are trading any other financial instrument in the world, any other financial instrument in the world you are trading, any other financial instrument you are trading, make sure that trading instrument is a very nice instrument, and that trading instrument is a trading instrument that you can be able to manage your risk very well. And that brings me to the last point on our list. Look at it here. My bonus tip is use good risk management in your trading boom and crash. So what I'm just trying to let you understand here, if you are trading a system that is not widely used, make sure you use a very, very good risk management. Make sure you manage your risks very well. Make sure you identify your risks very well. Make sure you are playing safe while managing risks and while understanding the market structure. That is the simple thing I can tell you, and that is the simple terminology you can be able to understand, and that is what can be able to help you and change your trading environment. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and that is the end of this video. Nice to have you. See you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to tell you what is happening currently on Boom 1000 index, because Boom 1000 index have looked bullish for 2 days, but automatically today the market reversed it is bullish trend. So I'm going to create a video explaining what is the next move for Boom 1000 index and what are the possible opportunities that are in Boom 1000 index. See you in my next video. Bye.